Hi everyone, Mr. Zaki with you. We want to solve the problems, the questions here from GAT. Okay, now the following table shows the number of studying hours for Sameh and Majid during 5 days. So what I will do, now Sameh, Majid, and also how I find. Okay, from Jarir. You said from Jarir. Maybe you get the yeah. You can find the book from Jarir. Okay, number 17 now. The average number of studying hours of Sameh. What I will do here, the average do you know how I solve it? The average number of studying hours of Sameh Majid. Where is Sameh? Sameh, you add here, look, and we want to find the average. How to find the average? You add and divide it by the number. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 5. What is it? What is the sum here? Number 17. It is divided by 4, right? When you add, divided by 4. 10 plus 14 is 24. Divided by how many numbers? I have 5. Divided by 5. Also, Majid, also we add 4 plus 5, 9, plus 2, it is 11, plus 13, also equals what? 24 or 5. That is the same. When you divide it, then you find 1 to 1. So the answer is number C. Do you know how to find the average, my student? Do you know how to find the average number? Yes, right. Good. Okay, what about number 2? The least number of studying hours for Majid was what? What is the least number for Majid studied? What is the answer? Here, the question is, the least number of studying hours for Majid was where is Majid? Here Majid was what? Tuesday, right? Or Thursday, right? So the answer is Thursday. It is A. Good? Okay, now. The difference, so I know here, the difference between the number of studying hours for Sameh and Majid on Sunday was what? The difference between the number of studying hours for Sameh and Majid on Sunday. We will go to Sunday. This Sunday, we want to find the difference. How to find the difference here? You can write it what? 7 minus what? 4 equals what? Equals 3. So the answer is where? The answer is, where is it? The answer is C. So number 3. Is it easy? Do you understand, my student? Is it easy? Right. Okay, now number 20, how I solve this problem. In the given circle, the shaded area. Oh, yes, yes, yeah, I know. No problem. Try. When you practice, the questions will be easy. Don't worry, Ali Muayyan. Okay, now number 20. In the given circle, the shaded area, what is it? I have a circle here. I want here the shaded. How I find? Look here. When you see the shape, then you see the quarter of the circle, right? Because we don't need the third quarter. Only I have a quarter here. So the area of the quarter minus the area of what? Of a triangle. How do you find this? Look, please, and I want to be attention. How to find this shaded, the area of the shaded area? What I will do, first, find the area of the quarter circle, and second, find the area of the triangle. Right. How I find the area of the circle? What is it? It is by r square divided by what? By 4, right? Divided by 4 minus the area of a triangle. What is it? Hello? Minus, what is it? The answer will be what? The triangle area. What is the triangle area? Half time base is 4, time high is 4, right? You simplify, is 1, here is 2. R square, it is 16. 16 divided by 4, it is 4 by. So we write 4 by minus 2 times 4, 8. Then maybe you can take a common factor if you need. So the answer is B. Right, good. Okay, number R is radius. Yes, yes, no problem. R is yes, no problem, no problem. Now I repeat it. Okay, my student. Okay, the radius, I have radius here. This radius 4. I want to find the first step. First step, find the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? The area of the circle, what is it? The circle area, what is it? It is by r square. You know? Okay, now by r square, r equals 4. When you square, will be 16 by. Right? I find now the area of the circle. But I don't need the area of the circle all. Only I need what? I need the quarter. Divided by what? Divided by 4 equals 4 by. So the area of this part or the quarter part is 4 by, right? Now we find the area of the triangle. What is the area of a triangle? what I will be do, I write it half time A time B. Then half time A equals what? Or not A, it is base time H, not A. We write it here, base time high. Base time high, right? Base time high. Base is 4. We multiply 4 times 4. Then you simplify. Then it is what? It is 8, right? So we subtract now. We subtract 4 by minus 8. Then the answer is B, right? Okay, now 21. In how many ways can we write number using the digits 0, 2, 3, 5, and the number is greater than 1000? Pay attention, please. How I solve this problem? How many ways can we write a number? I have here 4 digits. Look, 4 digits. When I want to write 4 digits from this number, look here. I want to pay attention. That's, I think, nice questions. Okay, now 0, 4, 5. We can write it 5 in the left, or in the also in the 100, or in the tens, or in the units. No problem about 5. So 5, I can use it in 5 place, 5 position, right? No problems. And the 5, I can use it 4 position, 4 position, sorry. Now I want to go about 3. If you write it 3, yes, you can use it also every position. You can write it in the ones, or in tens, in 100, or in 1000. Yes, number 3, you can write it in 4 position. What about 2? 2 also, I can put 2 in 4 position. No problem. What about 0? 0, what about 0? 0, you can write it 0 in the ones, no problems. And tens, and also 100. Is it correct to put it here, 0? Is it correct to put it in the 1000? No. 0, so 0, I can use it only 3 times. 3 position, only 3, right? Only 3 here. I write it 3. Then you multiply 12 times 14. So you can write, you multiply. It is the answer, is it what? What is the answer? The answer is B. You know now how I write it here 3. Why put 3? Do you understand? Because 0, I can't use it in the left side of the number. I can't put in the 1000 position. You know, my student? Hello, are you with me? Hello? Are you with me? Do you understand? Right, good. I want to be understand everything. Okay, now 22. What is the answer? If y greater than x less than 0. Look, my student, look. Here said each one is less than 0. X is negative, y is negative, z is negative, then less than 0. So which of the following is positive? Okay, all of them are negative. So when you multiply here, negative time negative time negative time negative will be negative. Here, x square negative will be positive. Y square is minus time minus will be positive. Then the answer is B, positive tip. So because the question said which of the following is positive, so the answer is B. You see? C for 23, right, good. You don't understand? Okay, I show you. Okay, now x less than y less than z less than 0. Give me example. Give me example. X, y, z less than 0. Can you give me example? Maybe x minus 3, y minus 2, z minus 1, right? Then we want to check which of the following is positive. X times y, x times z. When you multiply minus times minus times minus, it is will be what? Negative here, right? What about second one? X square will be negative square, it is what? Positive. Y is minus 2 times minus 1 will be positive. Positive times positive equals what? Positive. Right? You see, my student? Good. Okay, now, do you understand? Linda? Number what? Which question? Can you repeat the positive part? Number 22, it is easy, my student. Don't worry. Here he said x, y, z less than 0. So all of them are negative. Now he said the question, which of the following is positive? So because x is negative, y is negative, z is negative. When you multiply negative times negative times negative will be here what? Negative, right? And here when you put negative square and y is negative, z is negative, so negative square it is positive, and negative times negative is positive, then the answer is positive. So the answer is B, right? Not D, Khalid, because x cube will be negative, y cube will be negative, z will be negative. When you multiply, is negative. If the power is odd number, my student, pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. when the power is odd number, then the answer is negative. Do you see? Do you see, my student? If the power is odd number, then the answer is negative. Okay, now compare number 23. Compare between two values. 40% of 60. What I will do, how I find 40%, I can write it directly. See, please, I want to show you short method to find the percentage. When you see 40% of 60, you can delete this 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Then you multiply 4 times 6. What is it? It is what? 24, right? Good. Also here, 0 with 0, then you multiply directly. 3 times 8, it is 24. So two values are equal, right? You see? If you want to solve in normal way, you can write it 40% Ali Muayyad over 100 times 60, because I have percentage here. Then you simplify, then 4 times 6 will be 24. Another one also, in 30%, 30 over 100 times 80, then you simplify, the same answer is 24. Okay, the answer is the two values are equals, number C. Okay, the last two questions here. If x plus 2y equals 3, x squared minus 4y squared equals 21, then x minus 2y, what is it? Can you think how I solve this problem? Can you think, my student? You see here, when you see square, look, my student, I give you now special information. If you hear x square and you put here a square, the signal is minus, then you factor in, you write it x minus 2y, the same brackets, or equals x or plus what? 2y equals what? 21, sorry, 21. So equals 21, right? So I have x plus 2y. What is it? It is 3. So here it is 3. I put it 3, and here x minus 2y equals 21. Divided by 3, then equals 7. So the answer is B. Right tip, 7. Okay, now number 25. Number 25. In the opposite figure, the perimeter of triangle ABC is what? Yeah, I explained this before, special triangle. Look, because I have here 30 and here 90, will be here what? 60, also here 30. Okay, now in the opposite figure, the perimeter of what? I have here 15. Look, I have here 15 and here 9, right? So what is the answer of this 15? That's opposite of what? Oh, because I have triangle here, we can find by what? Or by Pythagorean? Pythagorean, we write it here. Because I don't have here angles, I don't know. Because I have here 30 equals 15. Because I don't know this right angle or no. And here 9, how I find here? We can find it 15 square minus 9 square, then will be, when you subtract 15 minus 9, it is 144, and you take square root of them, so equals what here? 12. Now I know here, because this special triangle, because 30, I have here 90, I have here 60, I have here special a triangle. So 12, then the answer here, it is what? 24, and here will be a 12 square root of what? Of a 3. You must know everything, the length of the triangle. You add now, you add 15 plus 9 plus 24, it is 28, plus the 12 square root of 3. The answer is C. Okay, the answer is C. Right. Okay, now the last questions. Find the total area of the red spots. What is it? Look here. When you see the shape, you see this part. Look, when you see this part is the same part here, right? So you find how to find the shaded. You find the area of triangle minus the area of one circle. What is the area of the triangle, my student? Here I have 10, base I have 20. So we find the area of triangle. How I solve it, my student? Half time what? Time base time h, right? What is base here? I have here the base, is it what? 20 multiply by high, it is what? It is 10. You simplify, then the answer is 100. Then the area of triangle 100 minus the area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? I find the area of the circle equals, what is the rule? By r square, right? So by r, what is it r? Because I have here the diagonal, all it is 10. So the radius is, will be 5. So will be 5, 25. Now it is 25 by sorry, 25 by, then the area, what is it? The area, you can subtract 100 minus 25. The answer is D, because the shaded area will be the area of triangle minus the area of one circle. So the area equals 100 minus 25 by. Okay, is it clear, my student? Maybe difficult for you. Thank you very much, and you are welcome. We will go to another questions now. Thank you, my student. Bye.